Hello, this is an explanation video for Wednesday, October 13th. You want to come down here to Unit 2. This is our new unit. All of our modules are in this folder here. Come to Module 4, looking for a job. This is the new module. And today is day 2, October 13th. So in our sync session, here's what we're going to do. Here's the agenda. We will use verbs that can be paired with gerunds or infinitives with no change in meaning in small groups. And we will practice searching for jobs online. Okay, so here's the first activity. It's in the textbook, page 26 and 27, parts 1 and 2A. Okay, we'll work in groups to find the answers to these questions. So 1A, we're going to reflect and think about a time when you wanted to do something new, but you were not sure how to get started. Problem solve. Where do you go look for a job? What suggestions do you have for others looking for a job? We'll discuss this in small groups. Okay, then we will look at these vocabulary words here. These will be useful in this activity: job title, location, shift, salary, skills needed. Okay, and then we will use them to answer these questions. How many jobs were found using keywords warehouse in St. Paul, Minnesota? So here we have a job search. This is a picture of an online job search. Okay, and we can look at the results of the job search and answer these questions, right? 1, 2, and 3. So to find the answers, we have to look here on this picture to answer these questions here. And we'll do that together in groups. Then we're going to look at some grammar. So here's some information about verbs with gerunds and infinitives where there's no change in meaning. Okay, so we'll look through this, and basically what it means is that some verbs you can use with a gerund or infinitive, and it doesn't matter. You can choose either one. Okay, such as begin, continue, hate, like, love, prefer, and start. Then we'll practice using these verbs in sentences in a discussion activity where we will practice interview skills. One partner should ask these questions using the gerund or infinitive, and the other person should answer using the gerund or infinitive. And when you're finished, you can switch roles. For example, this one here, notice the word is begin. The main verb is begin, and begin can go with the gerund or infinitive, and it doesn't change the meaning of the sentence. So you can say, when can you begin working here? Or you can say, when can you begin to work here? Both of them are correct. Both of them have the same meaning. And then your partner can answer the question like, I can begin working here today, or I can begin to work here today. And then you can switch roles, and the next person can ask the question and the other person can answer. And you'll go through all these questions. Okay, so that's it for the sync session. Let's look at the async here. So this is an explanation of the activity we're doing here. Essay vocabulary explanation. So during the Zoom session today, we will read a 3-paragraph essay called Cars and Air Pollution. And we will read this essay several times during the semester. We will keep coming back to it many times. We will use it to learn new reading and writing strategies. For today, we will learn some of the vocabulary words in the essay. This will prepare you to read the essay during the Zoom session. Please complete the vocabulary assignments in the async folder. So going back to the async folder, here is the vocabulary activity. So you open it, and we're going to go to, I'm going to show you how it looks. So here, question 1, I give you the vocabulary word smog, and then I give you the definition, and I give you a picture that shows what it looks like. And then you have to pick the sentence that uses this vocabulary word, smog, correctly, right? It's either A, B, C, or D. One of them is the correct usage of smog, and the other three are wrong. You have to pick the one that is correct. Here's question 2. The word is air quality. Here's the definition. Here's a picture. Which one uses the word correctly in the sentence? A, B, C, or D? Increase, definition, picture, and pick which one is the correct usage. Air pollution, definition, picture, and then choose which one uses the word correctly in a sentence. And that's it. But you need to learn these new words: air pollution, increase, air quality, and smog. Okay, so that is it for today, Wednesday, October 13th. Thank you so much for listening, and best of luck.